Welcome to my review of Hexo, a popular static site generator designed for developers and users who want to create fast, efficient websites. Hexo's main selling point is its ability to generate static sites quickly, providing a simple yet powerful way to build blogs and portfolios. The first thing you'll notice about Hexo is its focus on speed and simplicity. Setting it up is straightforward for anyone familiar with Node.js, and it integrates seamlessly with GitHub Pages or your own server for deployment. Once you've installed Hexo, the first step is setting up a new project. It's as easy as running a few commands in the terminal. You can customize your site with themes and plugins, which give you flexibility without needing to write too much custom code. One of the features I really appreciate is the built-in Markdown support. This makes it simple to write and format content without needing to deal with complicated HTML. If you're coming from a blogging background, this is a great feature. Hexo supports a wide range of themes and allows you to tweak them to fit your needs. Whether you're building a personal blog, a portfolio, or a documentation site, there's a theme that suits the purpose. It's easy to install a new theme, and there are plenty available on the Hexo website and on GitHub. Some themes are even optimized for speed and SEO, which can help give your site a boost in search engine rankings. Performance-wise, Hexo truly shines. Static sites are known for their speed, and Hexo does not disappoint. It's incredibly fast both in terms of site loading and in the process of building the site itself. You won't need to worry about slow page load times or high server costs since your site is fully static once generated. Hexo is also very scalable, so if you're working on larger projects, it can handle the load with ease. If you open the description of this video, you can find many useful links to various resources. Do this after watching the video. When it comes to deployment, Hexo has built-in support for popular hosting services like GitHub Pages, Netlify, and others. This makes it easy to take your locally developed site and push it online with minimal effort. Plus, it supports continuous deployment, so you can automate updates and keep your site fresh with each new post. One thing to consider when using Hexo is that it does require some technical know-how. You'll need a basic understanding of the command line and Git, but for those with development experience, this won't be an issue. For beginners, the learning curve can be a bit steep at first, but once you get the hang of it, it's smooth sailing. Overall, Hexo is a fantastic option for anyone looking to build a fast, flexible, and easily deployable website. Whether you're a developer or just someone who enjoys writing, it offers a streamlined experience for creating a professional-looking site without the complexity of dynamic CMS platforms. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like this video if you found it helpful. Let me know in the comments if you've used Hexo before, or if you have any questions about the platform.